Hi everyone, Anastsia with that Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So today I am diving into how to cook an artichoke. I used to get them in the cans, you know, they're already done and everything. But I want to try something new and different. So I'm bringing y'all along so y'all can see what's going to be done. So let me put the camera. Now this is a purple one that they picked up for me. And we're going to start this. Let me get a knife. I washed it off. You know, so I looked it up and I said, it's like if it has dead leaves on it or whatever. But you can cut the tips off too. But I'm going to take these bottom leaves off so I can get to the stem. One at a time. And I'm not going to cut the ends off. We're just going to sit here and we're going to cut this, and it said cut the stem off. And you cook it, or you can steam it in water, and I'm going to put it in water for 25 to 35 minutes. But I want to, and you don't do anything else. That's it. That's the prep. Now, we're putting it over here in this pot of water. And I'll probably need some more water as it goes to, because it's not really, well, it doesn't, it's not really, it won't set, but that's okay. And then, a cup of garlic cloves. I think I've got a couple of those. Yep. Alright. That over there. Get this water off. And they said just crush the garlic. You don't even have to peel the garlic or anything. So I am going to peel it. Just because. Alright, that's one piece. There's two pieces. We're going to throw them in the pot too. Like that. And in 25 to 30 minutes, I'll bring y'all back and we're going to open this up and see how it is. And then I'm going to taste it and let you know what I think. So, I will see y'all in a little while. Okay, it's been 25 to 35 minutes. And they say you can use your favorite dip, some melted butter. I'm going to do a little bit of olive oil. So, and I went back and looked again what it said to do. And I think I need another bowl or plate. Put this on. So we're going to see. Alright. Let me drain the water out. Alright. Here we go. What's this? Alright. So, and they say all you have to do is it comes off, you dip this part in the oil, and you'll dip your butter or whatever, and then you're supposed to artichoke with your teeth. It's not too bad. But no salt, no nothing on it, so. So let's see here. It does have some garlic flavor. And I'm going to put some salt on it. And also add some salt in the olive oil. It doesn't taste bad. It's just kind of like a bland taste. It really don't have a taste. Alright, that's better. You definitely don't eat that part. So, is it a waste? To me, for the price of it. And you're only eating this part of it. Of course, then when you get to the heart of it, you know, it's not much that you eat of this. So, I open it up. So y'all can see though. I mean, I understand why people like it. It's really good and everything. Of course, you know, there's the heart of it. And then so you scoop this out. This is so hot, but I'm trying to, so y'all can see. I mean, I don't know. For the price, and that's all you're getting, that's not worth it. Now, if you grow your own, that's a little bit different. And then there's, you know, whew. Alright, let me get a paper towel. Alright, so let's scoop this part out. This thing is hot, hot, hot. They did it with a spoon. I'm just trying to get this all out so y'all can see. Alright, so basically out, and then you can eat that part. I'm not eating that part. That's just that. But it tastes okay, but I mean, when you only eating this part of the leaf and you can't eat this part, nah, it's not worth it. I mean, I'll find the price of how much it was on the grocery list. But it was something different I wanted to try, and like, I like it, but no, it's not worth the price. So there you go, my take on how to cook and eat an artichoke. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay safe, and we love you. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.